Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple recipe for homemade shampoo. I like making my own shampoo because I get to control all the ingredients in it, and I really don't like using a lot of just the commercial shampoos because they have certain ingredients that I try to avoid. The first step is to add half a teaspoon of honey into half a cup of hot green tea and just stir it around to dissolve. Once that cools, you're going to add half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, half a tablespoon of Castile soap. I use the Dr. Bronner's peppermint one that smells really nice. Then 3 drops of pure cedarwood essential oil, 5 drops of pure lavender essential oil, and 5 drops of pure rosemary oil. And then you just stir that together. Then you're going to store it in a foaming soap bottle. This is one that I just reused from some hand soap that I bought. Shampoo is very liquidy and watery, and so once you put it in this bottle, it actually foams up really nicely. Okay, and so before you use it, just give it a little shake and then press it. So there you have it. It's a very simple recipe for homemade shampoo, and it smells so great and relaxing. Enjoy.